everyone. Today I'm going to be doing another video from the Campbell Cookbook Cooking with Soup cookbook. Andrew from Andrew's Simple Cooking had commented on my last video that I made out of this cookbook that he'd like to see some others out of this cookbook. I got you, Andrew. I've got a good one coming up. So I want to mention that I do have a couple of other Campbell's cookbooks that you'll be seeing recipes coming out of them as well. Today I'm going to be making butter bean zesty bake. What all goes into the butter bean zesty bake? 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 tablespoons chopped green pepper, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 can 9.5 ounce tomato soup. This is actually 10.75, and of course it is Campbell's. 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon prepared mustard, and 2 cans, 1 pound each, butter beans, drained. And this is only 5.5 ounces, but close enough. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Take a 1-quart casserole and butter it. And normally I would just spray it, but this is an old recipe, so I'm going to butter it. So take a skillet and heat it on medium-high. Put in your 1 tablespoon of butter. Then add your 2 tablespoons of onion, 2 tablespoons of green pepper, and brown them. So the onions are starting to get brown. I don't want them caramelized, but they are turning color. And then just add the remaining ingredients except for the beans. The 1 tablespoon of vinegar, the 1/4 cup of water, the 1 can of tomato soup, the 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and the 1 teaspoon of prepared mustard. Stir that until fully incorporated. Oh shoot, I made a mess. And while that is heating up, we'll take our beans, put them in the bottom of the casserole dish, and spread that out. So this is heated through. We'll shut off the heat and pour the sauce over the beans. And spread that so it covers all the beans. So put the butter bean zesty bake in a preheated 375-degree oven for 45 minutes. The butter bean zesty bake just came out of the oven after 45 minutes. Again, I wanted to let you know I did get this recipe from a Campbell's cookbook, Cooking with Soup. I'll get it dished up and then we'll let Dave do a taste test. So here is the butter bean zesty bake, and rounding out the meal is liver and onions. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I assume I'm doing the beans.
You are. Butter bean zesty bake.
Ooh, that's zesty. Butter beans zesty bake?
Correct.
It's got a kind of a tomato-y flavor.
Has tomato soup in it.
That's pretty good. Yep, I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.